Hello guys, this is Mr. Bullman speaking. First of all, happy new year and wish you very happy and healthy life. So in this start of new year, I am going to start a new series of Mafia City, especially for the beginner, because this game not guide the beginner how to play this game. I still remember when I start Mafia City. I all just thinking about this game is all about the power. I just making my power and increasing it every day, training my troops and increasing my power. Then I lost and attack it, and then it's hurt a lot. So this game is all about the stats and the strategy. So in this series, I will tell you how you can increase your stats and make strategies for the Mafia City. So there are multiple ways you can increase your stats. There, first of all, you can make your equipments. These are my equipment and already make it in all in gold. And the other way is do investment. There are two types of investment. One is investment agency and the other one is hitman agency. And the third option is family business agency. So these things, three these things you can increase your stats. In this series I will tell you and explain you every each investment, how you can get and how you can do it. So stay tuned with me. I will make a playlist in my channel so you can find those videos very easily. So subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video to your friends. It's mean a lot for me. So happy new year.